So this is what we're gonna remake. It's like a planter box sitting on top of some wheels to look like a wagon. Basically plywood body attached to these wheels and painted all white. So after remaking these, the little struts that hold the axle in place, just trying to fit like that one that was a little too narrow on, and exploded it. The first one, I didn't have the right hole saw depth. I think I had 2 1/8 and I needed 2 1/4, so it's just enough tension to split that. So the next step is going to be to use these instead. Sweet. Broke it.
I was checking the specs on the end line for the rotary girder. Okay, Tom, let's go.
After remaking the little, so after remaking that little bracket where the hole or the